Hello friends, welcome to our Engineering Graphics YouTube channel. So friends, in this session, we will solving problem based on projection of plane and type of plane problem is rhombus. So problem statement is rhombus having longer diagonal 60 mm and smaller diagonal 30 mm rest on one of its corner so that the longer diagonal contained by the plane inclined at 45 degree to the HP and 30 degree to the VP. Draw its projection. Now, in this problem, rhombus plane is given and its dimensions are given. The longer diagonal 60 mm and smaller diagonal is 30 mm. So this is a rhombus and the condition is given it rests on its corner in the HP, so that we assume that in the stage 1 we assume that the plane is completely in the horizontal plane and its corner longer diagonal corner is at the left hand side. Now, the given data is the plane inclined at 45 degree to the HP. So here, theta plane angle is given. Plane is inclined to horizontal plane at a 45 degree, and the same diagonal, the longer diagonal, makes 30 degree to the VP. So here, phi p angle is 30 degree. So we will check this phi p angle is actual angle or it is apparent angle. So first we draw stage 1 and stage 2. After that we can check whether this angle is phi p or beta p angle. Now see the solution of this problem. The step 1, draw xy line. Perfect horizontal xy line draw करायची आहे. Give the name x and y. Now draw the longer diagonal of rhombus below xy. So in stage 1 we assume that the complete rhombus is in the horizontal plane. So by using thin line, draw a horizontal rhombus. Find the midpoint of this horizontal diagonal and from this midpoint draw a 30 mm smaller diagonal. So above this horizontal diagonal draw 15 mm distance above this horizontal diagonal and below this. So this is 15. So 30 mm is the smaller diagonal. So you can see here, just join the corners, join the end points of this diagonal line by using thick line. So you can easily draw a rhombus. This is the stage 1 top view. Give the naming. This is A, B, C and D. Now project A, B, C, D points on a XY. So by using thin line, take a projection from stage 1 top view. This is stage 1 top view. Project A up to XY line. So this is A dash. This is projection of B and D. So this is B dash, D dash, this is C dash. Join A dash and C dash by using a thick line. So this is a stage 1 front view and top view. Now here, the rhombus plane is inclined at 45 degree to the HP. The whole plane is inclined to HP at 45 degree. So for second stage front view, mark a random point near the stage 1 and give the name A dash. Now this is the line view. This line, the plane front view line view is inclined 45 degree to the HP. For that, from A dash point, mark a 45 degree angle. This is a 45 degree angle. By using thin line, draw the thin angle line and mark this A dash C dash distance on this inclined line. For that, measure A dash C dash distance in compass. This is a stage 1 front view. From A dash, place metallic pointer on A dash point and mark a arc on this 40 degree angle line. So here we get a C dash point. Now measure a dash b dash distance, and from a dash mark these b dash and d dash. Now join a dash and c dash by using a thick line. So this is the theta plane inclination. Now for second stage, top view, take a vertical downward projection. Now you can see here, take a vertical projection, and from stage 1 top view, take a horizontal projection. This is the projection of D, this is the projection of C, this is the projection of B. Now here, this is A, this point is B, this point is C, this point is D. Now join AB, BC, CD and A. Join AB, BC, CD, and A. So this is the second stage top view. Now friends, you can see here, compare the stage 1 and stage 2. In this problem, the 30-degree angle is made with the longer diagonal with VP. Now in the stage 1, AC distance is 60 mm. Now in the second stage, the distance of AC is reduced, and here no top view word is mentioned. So here for this problem we required to find a beta angle. Now for beta angle, this is a point. Now this is a phi plane angle is given. So this phi plane angle is made with a true length. But in the second stage, this AC distance is apparent distance. So here we require to find a beta angle or apparent angle. For that, mark a 30-degree angle first. Mark a 30-degree angle by using thin line. Mark this angle. Now on this theta plane angle, this is a theta plane angle. Mark A dash and C dash distance. This is C dash. From C dash we can draw a locus line. Now on this locus line, find a mark a C point. This is a C point. Join AC. This is the apparent length, and this apparent length makes beta plane angle. Now we can take this beta plane angle for the final view. Measure this beta plane angle. This angle is 43 degree. So beta plane angle is 43 degree. Now here in this problem, मित्रांनो लक्ष द्या एकदा परत की लॉंगर डायगोनल जो आहे, लॉंगर डायगोनल कंटेन बाय द प्लेन, इट मेक्स 30 degree angle with VP. Now here this is a theta plane angle with HP plane. Now vertical plane सोबत angle 30 degree दिलेला आहे. स्टेज 1 मध्ये AC distance होतं 60 mm. In second stage the AC distance is reduced. So here phi plane angle is given. The phi plane angle जर तुम्ही directly mark केला, so we get a wrong final view. So here for this case we required to find a beta angle, आणि आपण फाइंड केला beta plane angle. तर त्यासाठी आपण हॉरिझॉन्टल लाईन ड्रॉ केली, त्यावरती A पॉईंट मार्क केला. थीटा प्लेन फाय प्लेन अँगल होता 30 डिग्री, तो अँगल मार्क करून घेतला. दिस इज ए फाय प्लेन अँगल, दिस इज 30 डिग्री, आणि बीटा प्लेन अँगल आपण फाइंड केला. नाउ we are solving this problem by using auxiliary inclined plane method. So extend AC and mark a random point on this extended AC diagonal line, and from this measure from this point, mark a 43 degree angle. So this is a 43 degree angle line. This method is called as a auxiliary inclined plane method. This is a new plane. The name of plane is x1, y1. So take a this is AIP. So take a perpendicular projection. So for that, adjust a roller along x1, y1, and from all these 4 points, take a projection. Take a perpendicular projection. These all projections are perpendicular to the x1, y1. Now, for this final view, measure the dimensions above the xy. So here, friends, you can see a dash point is on xy. So we can directly mark a dash point on xy. For this view, observer is looking from this direction. Okay. Now, with the help of compass, measure this distance. This is b dash d dash distance from xy. Measure this distance. Now see the b point position. So b point position is here. From x1 y1, mark a point b dash. Similarly, mark a d dash point. Now from xy, measure this distance. This is the position of C. From C, mark a point C dash. Now join AB, BC, CD and EA by using a thick line. This is a theta plane angle. This is a beta plane angle. Now give the dimensions. The major diagonal is 60. This is 30. Now friends, you can see the complete solution of this problem. So try to solve this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Happy learning.